Oceana County is a rural community. The programs that we provide here at the Council on Aging really benefit a lot of the seniors that may not have the opportunity or chance to have at least one decent meal every day, or for them to get transportation throughout the county. My name is Bradley Youngstrom. I am the Program Director and Volunteer Coordinator here at Oceana County Council on Aging. Our community garden that we started 3 years ago was just this small little patch in the ground. We were lucky if we had a few vegetables to bring in every day. Now this year we have tripled its size. We have 4-H'ers that are helping us. We have local community members that are volunteering and with fencing and just maintaining the garden. And what we do is we try to have things that our kitchen can use, but anything else we have, we bring into the center here each day and we put it out on a table, and all the seniors can take home what they would like. They might not have access to fruits and vegetables. They may not be able to drive to the farmer's market. I never would have thought I'd be doing this, but now that I've been here to see how our activities benefit the seniors and how our exercise classes, people that started could hardly move, and now they're up and walking without a walker or a cane, and it really has shown that they are learning something and feeling better about themselves. It's really awesome to see that we all seem to have the same goal, and everyone just working, doing whatever they can to make sure that it happens. Try it. Don't think you can't do it. You can. It may take time, but anything is possible. And especially when we're helping others, it makes you feel good to know that you've helped someone and really become a change in their life.